Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see one more new collection from DhiWa. It's going to be Chappa Sarees with very classy embroidered patterns. All these sarees are priced between 3,000 and it goes up to 5,000. Chappa is a new entrant in our DhiWa collection. These sarees are very lightweight and mostly come in jute finish. Very comfortable to carry and drape as well. We have added a lot of value addition to these sarees with cut work, beadworks, scallop borders, simple embroidered pattern, prints in the body with embroidery in border and pallu, and simple embroidery for the blouses. These sarees are perfect to carry for simple parties and occasions. All these sarees have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. Most of these sarees come with simple embroidered pattern for the blouses. A simple back knot will add a great value addition for the blouses. We undertake custom tailoring, fallen edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. All these sarees are available in our website. To buy these sarees, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. First one for today, traditional color, maroon with rich embroidered pattern in floral and paisleys running throughout the saree. This has got beautiful sequin work with antique zari woven borders on either sides. A contrast pallu in beige with simple zari lines. A simple embroidered blouse in beige, priced at 4,350. Pastel shade of pink, a very classy color with beautiful zardosis and cut bead work running on both sides of the borders. The body has got simple self-color stonework running throughout the saree. That's the pallu. An embroidered blouse, priced at 5,350. Beige with mustard, similar to the one that I'm wearing today. A very classy and an elegant color with beautiful French knot and sequin floral embroidery along the shoulder portion with weaving in vertical lines throughout the body with small floral embroidered buttas running throughout the body. A contrast embroidered pallu, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in mustard with floral embroidery, priced at 4,860. Bottle green, a very pretty color with beautiful black stonework along with small mirror work running on both sides of the borders. The body has got simple stonework running all over the saree. That's the pallu, very classy and rich. This has got a contrast embroidered blouse in grey, priced at 4,190. Onion pink, gorgeous color with scallop borders, beautiful beads along with stonework along both sides of the borders with the body having all over stonework running throughout the saree. That's the pallu, a rich pallu, and an embroidered blouse in onion pink, priced at 6,470. Elephant grey, another classy color with beautiful all over floral embroidered pattern along with antique zari woven borders in elephant grey on either sides. That's the pallu, a heavy embroidered pallu. A plain blouse in elephant grey with simple embroidery for the sleeves, priced at 4,370. Navy blue, another beautiful saree with very pretty mirror work along with beaded borders on either sides. The body has got small mirror embroidered pattern running throughout the saree. That's the pallu, very classy and elegant. An embroidered blouse, priced at 5,350. Teal, a very pretty color with all over bead work running on both sides of the borders with simple cutwork beads on either sides of the saree. The body has got small beads running throughout the saree. The same pattern gets repeated along the pallu as well. An embroidered blouse in teal, priced at 4,190. One more in grey, a very pretty saree with all over kalamkari prints and embroidered borders on either sides. That's the pallu in grey with embroidery. A contrast grey blouse with embroidered pattern, priced at 2,450. Orange with green, one more beautiful saree with mirror work and beaded work along both sides of the borders with rich antique zari woven pattern on either sides. The body has got small mirror work in contrast color thread running along the middle portion of the saree. That's the pallu, green pallu with mirror work. A contrast mirror work blouse in green, priced at 4,190. Purple, one more gorgeous color with antique zardosi and beaded embroidered pattern along both sides of the borders. The body has got small antique beaded work running throughout the saree. That's the pallu, embroidered pallu. An embroidered blouse in purple, priced at 4,860. Brown with Mehndi green, another beautiful color with embroidered borders and geometric prints running throughout the middle portion of the sari. A Mehndi green embroidered pallu, very classy and elegant. A printed blouse with embroidery, priced at 2,760. Navy blue, gorgeous color with very pretty silver cut bead work running on both sides of the borders, with the body having simple stonework running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, embroidered pallu. A cut bead work in the blouse, priced at 4,860. Grey, a very classy and an elegant color with floral embroidered pattern along with zardosis and cut beads on either sides. The body has got simple bead work in cement grey running all over the body. That's the pallu, an embroidered pallu. A floral embroidered blouse in grey, priced at 4,190. Blue, a very pretty color with antique zari woven borders on either sides. Beautiful stonework, cut beads and sequin work running on both sides of the borders, with the body going plain in blue. That's the pallu, a simple classy pallu. An embroidered blouse in blue, priced at 4,690. Bottle green, a very pretty color with geometric pattern of stones, beads and sequin work running throughout the sari. A heavy embroidered pallu with sequins and stone work. A contrast blouse in beige with stonework, priced at 3,750. Pista green with kalamkari printed pattern running along the middle portion of the sari. Beautiful and subtle embroidery along both sides of the borders. That's the pallu, simple embroidered pallu. An embroidered blouse in green, priced at 2,930. Same as the one that I'm wearing today, but a different color. Classic combination of beige with orange. Antique zari woven borders with small embroidered buttas and floral pattern running across the body. An embroidered pallu in orange, very classy and rich. A contrast blouse in orange with simple embroidered buttas, priced at 3,750. Coffee brown, one more beautiful color with stone and cut bead work running on both sides of the borders. The body goes plain in coffee brown. The same pattern in the pallu, that's the pallu. A simple embroidered blouse in brown, priced at 4,050. Yellow orange with grey, one more beautiful color combination with antique zari woven borders. Heavy floral embroidered pattern along with sequin work running throughout the body. A contrast simple zari lined pallu, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in grey with simple embroidered butta, priced at 4,370. Pink, gorgeous color, the last one for today, with stone and beaded work, cut work beads along both sides of the borders with very pretty semicircle embroidered pattern along the shoulder portion. The body has got small beaded buttas running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, very classy and elegant. An embroidered blouse in pink, priced at 3,250. These are just few saris that I had randomly picked to showcase in today's video. Many more unique designs and colors have been uploaded in the website. To buy these saris, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.